Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today it is 12th April 2021 and the day is Monday. Today's English comprehension diary is chapter number 2 words and a noun plus complete revision. Yes, my dear students, we have started our revision now. So quickly open your list of words and nouns. Have you opened your list of words and nouns? Today we will do unit number 2 birthday. And unit number 2 complete words and nouns you have to learn today. Now open your book. On book page number 15 we are going to start our chapter number 2 birthday. Yes, my dear kids, you have to do the comprehensive readings of this whole chapter, and after doing the comprehensive reading you have to solve complete exercise of chapter number 2. Your teacher have already taught you this chapter in the proper way. Now it's your turn to do your revisions. Shabash beta, all the answer questions, useful phrase and other written words you will do on your rough notebooks for the practice of your exams. Shabash. Now it's your turn to do its proper learning. Open your language diary. Now it's your turn to do your language work. For the language work, what we have to do today? Chapter number 31, complete plus form of verbs. Yes, we have to do the revision of chapter number 31. Chapter number 31 I have already taught you in my lecture and specifically in the 1st and 3rd April diary. Chapter number 31 is a simple past tense which I have already taught you in the lecture of your diaries. Regularly I was teaching you these. See, exercise number 1 I have solved for you, and if you will open page number 120, I have solved it too. 120 pages also right now in front of you. I have solved exercise number 1 as well as exercise number 2. For the further proper understandings you have to watch your diary lectures of 1st and 3rd April. In these 2 days I have taught you this topic in the proper way. Moreover, you can watch our lecture number 22 of Wren and Morton. Okay, in those all lectures you will have the proper understandings of these concepts. Now it's your turn to do the practice and prepare for your exam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today our science diary is unit 7 part A, B, E, learn. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे पार्ट सी था, उसको कट करके अपनी डायरी पे करेक्शन कीजिए. पार्ट ई, लर्न. स्टूडेंट्स ओपन दी पेज नंबर 76. पार्ट ए देखिए. सर्कल दी करेक्ट ऑप्शन अगेंस्ट ईच स्टेटमेंट. फर्स्ट वन इज द यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स इज न्यूटन. डैश कैन मेक अ बॉडी टू मूव. फोर्स. Speed is closely related with distance and dash time. The body regain its shape due to elastic energy. A simple machine having one slanting side with sharp end is named as wedge. Force can all of them. Distance over time is equal to speed. Which of the following is simplest of the simple machines? Lever. First wheel was used to make pottery. Last one is unit of speed is meter per second. Okay students, part B के लिए open the page number 77. Page number 77 पे part B, fill in the blanks. Dash is a push or pull force. Dash is a unit of measuring force, Newton. The rate at which an object covers the distance is dash, speed. A dash rests on a support called fulcrum which lifts or moves loud, lever. Dash is an example of wedge, knife. Okay students, next open the page number 78. Part E देखिए. Write the names of simple machines of all diagrams that are given below. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको नीचे डायग्राम दी गई हैं. आपने डायग्राम को देखते हुए उन सिंपल मशीन्स के नेम मेंशन करने हैं. फर्स्ट वन पे बेटा आप लिखेंगे पुली. सेकंड पे है लीवर. थर्ड डायग्राम को देखिए, ये है वेज. फोर्थ वन इज सीजर्स एंड लास्ट वन इज व्हील बैरो. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपने पार्ट ए में एमसीक्यूज, पार्ट बी में फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स और पार्ट ई में आपने ये डायग्राम्स करनी है अच्छे तरीके से लर्न. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज.